Hello guys, in this video we're going to be checking out all the parts for the Dynamo and then installing it on the bike. Here's the sprocket assembly on the bench, and all I had were these three items with the bike when I got it. And as you can see straight away, this oil thrower, it's okay, it's a little damaged. You'll see the holes there have got elongated, egged out if you like, over time. There's some damage there as well, but I think most surprisingly, and I think this is pretty common, is the sprocket has seen better days. So the teeth are either worn down or pretty much non-existent actually. You'll see there. So there's been quite a significant amount of damage over the years. Obviously not even reusable. So got a new sprocket which looks significantly nicer. As you can see, the shape of the teeth, for example, much better. And then other units as well. I don't know if I needed this drive plate, but I've got a new drive plate, and then the oil thrower, and then everything else is new, from the boss here to the plain nut at the end. And then here's the lovely Dynamo, the Miller Dynamo, that's been meticulously restored by my good friend Greg, and I'll include information about Greg in the comments. But here we have the Dynamo refurbished. The regulator and cover is there. We have the saddle bracket and hardware fixings, and then reminiscent of the whole bike that was restored in 78, we have more chrome. So here we have the chrome cover, and at some point in the future, you know, we're going to tone this down, but for now this is absolutely fine.